Good morning, everybody. It's Mark. We're back here for T3 Live, and it is Wednesday. So yesterday, basically right off the bat, we were gapped up a little bit. We sold off hard. We sold off the entire day. I don't think the S&P is what they were down really did justice to actually some of the damage or some of the stuff I've seen out there and some of the footprints that really happened. Makes me a little nervous. Doesn't make me run for the hills, but it makes me certainly pare down all positions across the board and wait and see what earnings is going to bring. So we did break the 134.85, which I was talking, or 134.85 with some authority, and we actually went all the way down to 133.68, only to recover a little bit. That should, the 134.85, which was the previous low of the gap, that should stand as some resistance at this point in time. We are still above the 50-day, which it did touch again at 133.92. That might be the bounce area for initially. But stocks and droves really got hurt and did some damage that I think need a lot more time. I mean, you saw the market leader, Apple, I was talking about touching 218, 220. It touched their pre-market right at the open. Then, most of the day held in there and then finally actually gave in back to the 606, 605 level. We'll have to see what happens. I still think 600 should hold, but we'll have to wait and see. But then you have other stocks such as an IE and Amazon. Broke the 220, which I don't really like to see, and really penetrated its 50-day. You had Priceline on a downgrade, gapped up in the morning. It didn't look great. It was holding its 21-day moving average, penetrated that, and at this point 635 is the next support level. We'll have to wait and see how that works. Certainly the clouds, a lot of them made the lower lows, which I don't like to see. And this type of action just tells me it's going to be earnings. And then also midday, really what helped spur the market on the downside was Cummins pre-announced. We got to be prepared for that. I haven't seen pre-announcements in a while, and I think there was 2 or 3 news stories of pre-announcements. Clack, I think, pre-announced to the upside, but these pre-announcements, you better be prepared and understand the intraday. It seems like a lot of these companies are putting that out there, mid-market. Obviously, you can't really, take a defensive approach to that, except just be aware of your news stories and go accordingly. So this morning, I don't have any A+ trades. I'm going back to my scalping mode, which I normally do after, a little bit of confusion, which is where I think we're at. You can make a bet one way or another. I don't think you're getting paid handsomely either direction. It's right now a stock picking market, and I think if you can be nimble and nimble, you're going to do okay. So right now, I'm not even flipping a coin saying we're going to go up or down. I don't really have any A+ trades for us. Maybe if Apple hits 600, I'll probably look to, get back involved. I have a feeler right now, not even a feeler. I have 100 shares right now just to watch. We'll have to wait and see what happens. I'm doing day trades only. I see the ag sector up. It looks good. It's been holding in there. We'll have to see how the gap up reacts. Overall, guys, I just think it's a defensive approach, and I'm going to be waiting to earnings and knowing that, you have Google coming out Thursday, JP Morgan coming out on Friday, some things for us to look at and go from there. Have a good day, and we'll see you back tomorrow.
Hello, everybody. My name is Pete Renzulli, Chief Marketing Officer of T3Live.com and one of the traders in the active mentor room for T3 Trading Group. What I'd like to do today is I'm really excited about introducing you to and inviting you to the first T3 Live Active Trader Summit in New York City, which is on Saturday, July 14th. We're going to have quite a few speakers today. There's going to be myself, Mike Lee, Evan Lazarus, Mark Sperling, Rob Smith, Rick Meadows. There's going to be a ton of great content, but the number one reason you want to come is you want to be able to network and associate with other like-minded people like myself. I'm going to pump you up. I'm going to guarantee you that. Other people like yourself who have a burning desire to learn how to be a trader. So I'm going to ask you to make a trade. Trade one Saturday for some of your time to come down and learn strategies, tactics, techniques, and put some faces to the people that you see in the virtual trading floor in T3 Live, and learn to take your trading bigger. Learn how to be a better trader than you are now. Learn the strategies. It's going to be a lot of fun. I can't stress that. I know it's a Saturday, but you know what? I want you to be there, to get excited, and to be here. Prove to yourself how bad you want it. Show up and come down and get excited with us. Saturday, July 14th. Now, very quickly for the registration. All you have to do is register at T3Live.com or be an existing member of T3Live.com, and you get 2 complimentary admission tickets for free. So all you have to do is go to T3Live.com and register. If you would like to join us at the post-event cocktail reception, you can also upgrade to either premium or VIP. That's up to you, but either way, please take advantage of the general admission, 2 free tickets. Bring a friend, bring a neighbor, bring a wife, bring a girlfriend, maybe bring both, but come down and expect to have a great time. Saturday, July 14th here in New York City.